Hello, it's Tech Tip Tuesday, Wednesday edition. Whoops, sorry. Today I'm going to talk about one of my favorite Google tools called Google Drawing. So if you go into your Drive and go to New, go over to More, and it's hiding over here, and there's Google Drawings. Now, Google Drawings just gives you one sheet of paper, like a poster. It's a way to make shapes and add in graphics and make it more like a poster, or you can use it for a graphic organizer, but you can just go in and insert, and you can insert just like you would in slides, but it lets you just make a little bit more, you can put things on top of each other easier and make different graphics. There's a lot of uses for this. There's a guy named Eric Kurtz, and he has lots and lots of resources. Some of I will share his resources with you, but he has 30 free Google Drawing links, some sample drawings of some things, and all of his links just let you make a copy, and then you can take the copy and put it right into Google Classroom and add some different learning opportunities for students. So here's one of them, that his cause and effect, that you can take the cause and all the different effects to it. Students just click 2 times inside the box, and then they can type right in there. So like you can just have it make a copy. There's some different 5 senses diagram. Here's a word study diagram. So he has lots of resources in here that you can use. They're not all showing up, but they will if you click on the link right there. It does send you to make a copy, and once you make a copy, then you can take that and put it into Google Classroom for students. I just love Google Drawing. It's a great way to make like posters or make book titles or just any graphic things like that. So try it out sometime. Again, it's Google Drawing. Have a great day.